Yes, thank you. And hi, this is Amravati, and my upline Platinum and Ramesh and Devi. I'm staying in Bangalore now. And my topic is what is the combination of and testimonial. And basically, my last 12 years, my experience. I am not a doctor. I am not a dietitian in the professionally, and my experience only I am sharing to you. Last 10, 12 years, I am observed every person to person, and whatever I am giving to the supplements and that testimonial, that results I am finding and new prospects is the right solution I am giving to them. That means is a lot of testimonials I have. And today I am talk about to diabetes combination of the product, combination of the food. And any person is starting diabetes 1 year and 2 years. This type of person I will meet. I am thinking to the diabetes and giving to the supplement all plant protein powder and madhunashini daily and naturally. I am focused this four products and fiber. These five products only focus. Why I am focused in these five products? These people is a less protein. That means is a more temptation and more carb. Giving to protein powder and that fulfill feel happen and control the food. That is the one reason. And the second is giving to the daily. Daily is a very good chromium content. Is a chromium is deficiency, is a insulin is resistance. Everybody know that. That means I am giving to the 2 multivitamin per day, morning and night, and giving to fiber. Why I am giving to fiber? Is take the fiber and once his stomach is fulfilled, the second is absorption the nutrition very high and clean the stomach every day and holding the carb, not hungry is the fast. That means I am giving to fiber and giving to a B vitamin. B vitamin need everyone is the digestion system needs and the entire body needs 7 essential B vitamins in the every part of the body. Is a prepared to food that much B vitamins, that much vitamins and minerals and protein not possible to giving to the body everyone. That means is most important. I mention here is
sorry, discriminate. And this type of people, I will mention one point. You have your food every day, but why you become a weak means is whatever you cooking the food that need to the open cooking, not a closed cooking. What is the meaning of that closed cooking and open cooking? I will give into one example. The person, you close the windows and door, sitting at home full day. What is the problem? Breathing, not comfortable staying at home. Why? That hair not going outside, not coming in inside. That means his body is dying, breathing not good. Is your food also like their live, no? Live, correct that word? Live in the food. You close the lid and cooking the food, food was die. Is once food was die, you eat, that nutrition not there, like that empty, that blank food not there in any nutrition. That means open cooking is most important. This is the DTM for cookware. This is most important. Second prospect is the prospect was is a 5 years in diabetes. This 5 years diabetes guarantee it is the digestion system is damaged, and digestion system is damaged. I am focused first to only the digestion system. Is a B vitamin, is a triple A, fiber. This is most important first focus. And digestive system not good. Whatever giving to the supplement, whatever giving to the food, body not receiving in that much, not absorption in that much. Most gastric problem is the take the protein also, the some bloating happen in starting 5 days or 10 days. I focus first 1 week, these 3 supplements, whatever digestion system is clear, after giving to the protein, multivitamin, madhunashini, not bloating happen. That means I'm giving first focus and the second focus. Most important 6 supplement. Protein is important, daily also important, madhunashini also important. But his body is weak, and these 3 supplements give the little and bloating stomach. Suddenly prospect is no, everybody no, I'm not a medical person. This is not a medication. Giving to the supplements, that much not understanding to prospect. What happened? little bloating also happen. People mind is negative thought coming. What is there in this supplement? Before I'm so healthy. Now bloating happen, not comfortable my stomach. Ma'am, I will stop. That means this is my experience only. Not writing any author in book. This is happened. Not writing any author. Only experience. I'm focused only 1 week digestion system, giving to 6 supplement at a time. But you not open the 1 week. Open these 3 supplements 1 week. Just body is comfortable after open this supplement. 5 years diabetes person, I'm thinking like this. And the same time, open cooking, closed cooking, I will inform and giving to the supplements doses also. Second prospect is 10 years diabetes. 10 years diabetes person is a more immunity low. This person is unlimited immunity low, not able to walk, not able to sleep, not able to eat, not able to absorption in the body. Means is a very, very low immunity. First I focus. Low immunity means, and you take the any medicine, not receive body. You take the any food, not receive the body. I will give you one example here. You have a one plant in outside. You put the different type of pesticides or manure. Do not use the water. What happen? Plant is die. But manure is the problem? No. Medicine is the problem? No. What is the problem? You do not put the water, plant is dying. Human beings also. You have a health problem, you have a more deficiency, you have a more immunity loss. That time you take the more quantity of the medication, medication reacting body, medication not absorption in the body is a very big problem, very side effects, more side effects happen. This person, what I am focused first? I am focused first to triple guard echinacea and milk thistle and CFE. Why I am focused to triple guard echinacea? You use the triple guard echinacea, your body high immunity level. After why I am focused to milk thistle? This type of person, liver is not produce the everything and all the non-essential. That is also medicine reaction happen and digestion very difficult and fatty liver little bit, this type of person. And that means I will focus to the milk thistle. Milk thistle is a very good detox for a liver. That is the reason. And the second reason is third product I am giving to the CFE, concentrated fruit and vegetable. Why I am giving to the CFE? 10 years diabetes, inside lot of free radicals. Free radicals is there in body, is the immunity is not possible to the develop in themselves. That means control the free radicals. How to control the free radicals? Take the phytonutrition is very, very high. Give the supplements phytonutrition. That meaning I will explain to the prospect. This is the bad cells, this is the good cells. Take the CFE, that free radicals come down. Again, I will do DTM for a cookware here. Basically, not necessary to any supplement in the phytonutrients. Whatever you had food every day, that also phytonutrients. You take the carrot, orange color phytonutrients. You take the capsicum, green color phytonutrients. You take the orange, that also phytonutrient. Whatever you cook the food, that is all phytonutrients. But phytonutrient, you buying the vegetable, phytonutrients is there. Once you cook the food, take the plate in your food, that time no phytonutrients. Where is the going? You take the any vessel, cook the food, every color is changing. Once color is changing, that phytonutrients is gone. Take the right vessel and cook the right way of the food and use the through food is 50 to 60% phytonutrients and take the one supplements of the concentrated fruit and vegetable. This both free radicals come down once and take the give the triple guard echinacea. Your immunity cell is very strong. Take the milk thistle. Your liver also detox. Whatever liver responsibility, their function is very well. I focus first only 3 supplements in the first 1 week or 15 days. Same time I am giving to the and other supplements also. Madhanashini, protein and multivitamin and whatever this natural, these supplements I am giving to the prospect. But first focus 3 supplement. Whenever there stays, wherever I am doing the consultation, I focus to first priority. Everything is fantastic supplement, everything is good, but I focus first priority, in middle priority, and last priority. This type prospect, I will do the first priority in the triple guard echinacea, milk thistle, and CFE. Second priority is the protein and daily and madhunasini. Third priority and natural B is natural C. This is I am focused, but whatever you listen, follow to the your appliance. And third level of fourth level of prospect like 15 years diabetes. This type of people I will do consultation. I'm not think about the protein and multivitamin starting. I'm asking to the lot of questions. This people is the think the potassium and creatine. 15-20 years consistent diabetes. This people is a maximum reach that level. Is the potassium and kidney creatine high. This situation I'm not thinking immediately. I'm not giving to that. Once you check the potassium and creatine, after decided to giving to the daily or and multivitamin. What I am focused, this 15 years diabetes person is a damage to nervous system. Everybody know that. Damage to the eye vision. Everybody know that. Damage to the joints. This whatever this free radical, these 3 organs every day put the little damage. And 15 years diabetes means 55-60 years age, and these people nervous system totally damaged, eye vision is totally damaged, joint is totally damaged. What I am focused to first I am focused to the ashwagandha and the natural B and the glucosamine. Why? This is the very painful. It's a 15 years diabetes, body is also addict, people have to take the medicine addict. You give the immediately any diabetes related supplements, that result came to 3 months or 4 months. That much patience not there. People are this prospect not holding the 3 to 4 months in that pain. Whatever pain is there in the prospect, I am focused that pain only. Giving to the natural B and ashwagandha and glucosamine. Next to 20 to 25 days, totally pain is controlled. Correct? Pain is totally controlled. And once pain is totally controlled, that faith is more developed. Once faith is more developed, after 20 days, I follow to the supplements. Whatever I will follow the B and C also. Why? And the C vitamin is more infections in that 15 years diabetes, urine infection, throat infection, and sometimes is the eye infection, sometimes is the legs and hands also infection. It's a more infectional body. That means I focus more vitamin C, I focus more ashwagandha, more natural B, more glucosamine. Giving to these supplements under 20-25 days, prospect so healthy, so happy, so peaceful. After whatever giving to supplements, prospect be ready and no rejecting, nothing. Once not rejecting the body, rejecting the prospect, after whatever giving to the cookware or mini or supplements is not a problem. But not understanding to the prospect body, one supplement rejecting the body, automatically stop the prospect, but not use the consistency. Whenever I did call, yeah ma'am, I'm using, very good, but not possible to repeat order. Why? Some person is a very good people, just to reject the body supplement, how to tell this, not using the product, this person thinking to me negative, correct? No, this type of starts running the prospect. This is also my experience. That means whatever is the most painful is there, that only I focus. Sometimes all the supplement is fantastic and super, but body not rejecting. Sorry, body is rejecting. Why rejecting body? Body is addicting the chemical, is a junk food eating and oil, very low quality oil using, low quality prepare, and preparing food in aluminium means low quality cooking, low quality oil, low quality is a lot of medication, low quality is in vegetable. This is all body addicting the chemical and no exercise, lot of toxins in body. you give the suddenly good thing. Body is rejecting or responding. It's a rejecting automatically, correct? No? Lot of times our experience, any negative person, you talk the positive, is accepted or rejecting. This person just to stand and went outside, correct? No, not listening to the good words. Same like body also. 35-40 years addiction, the chemicals are negative, suddenly give the positive, body also not responding, is the rejecting. I will giving to one example in this situation. And you close the door, somebody unknown person came and tick the bell. You open the door and inviting or not open the door, you not open the door. Not open the door, any person, unknown person came to my home, just click the bell. I just open the window, I will give answer, not opening. Why? That is unknown person. I'm not involved to my home, no. I'm not inviting. Same like is a supplements like unknown the body. That means body is a rejecting. Sometimes happen. When happen this problem is you have a free radicals in inside, you have a more toxins in inside. That time you give the protein also rejecting, give the Madhunashini also rejecting, give the CFU also rejecting. This is sense most important, and I listening to the words prospect before I will inform to this example. Your body more toxins and free radicals, whatever I will giving to you good things, body is rejecting. Once you rejecting in your body, immediately please call me. After I am change the supplement, change the product, food. That situation is there. I stop the 3 days, 4 days in supplements, all the supplements. I will giving to them and detox waters more. Why I am giving to the detox water? Once you use the detox water, that toxins is the remove the motion and urine and give the little exercise or walk. The sweating happen. Toxins remove the sweat, remove the urine pass, remove the motion pass. These 3 things only toxins remove. That means I am not giving to more carbon fat 2 days, 3 days, giving to fiber content to detox the water. This situation after 3 days, 4 days is the body accepted to the vitamin B, accepted to the vitamin C. I will try these 2 supplements. After take the 1 week, 10 days, again I start the with CFV and milk thistle. These 2 supplements. This is I am observing the person and I am explain the before start the consultation. I will explain all the examples. That means any prospect not giving in single product in return back. Any single prospect do call, ma'am, I'm not using the product, I'm not suitable. These words not hearing to myself. Why? I'm understanding before prospect body. And before I'm asking to some questions. You take the lemon, suitable or not. You take the egg, suitable or not. You take the milk, suitable or not. This is all this is all questions. Whatever prospect giving to the answer, that answers I figure out the which supplement is suitable and which exercise is suitable, which detox water is suitable. This is little common sense is most important front of the prospect. This is my experience. I think if you have any questions, I will give you the answer. Done, I think 20 minutes.